guys, here's iChatBot live from Games Convention, and today I'm going to show you the Dragon Ball booth. I think this is the most amazing booth of the whole Games Convention in 2019. Last year was definitely Fortnite, but this year it's definitely the Lifesize Shenglong above my head and the incredible Dragon Ball booth, as you can see here. Today it's super full because actually it's not even the fullest busiest day because it's Thursday, but still everybody's running around here because there's actually a rally. So people get like rally points on their booklet from 7 Dragon Balls, so they have to collect 7 Dragon Balls to get giveaways, which is like right behind in the Budokan. Can you see the Budokan? So there's a Budokan, and behind that there is a counter where you can get actually giveaways when you have fulfilled the rally. And around that booth, inside the booth, there are many possibilities to take awesome pictures. And just walk around and check it out a little. So right now we are just beside the life-size dragon. As you can see, this is amazing. And there are a lot of fun possibilities to take pictures. Oh, and there are always possibilities to play games, right? So let me go to the other side. Right here, you have all the possibilities to test the new Dragon Ball games and even the card game. Right behind here is a trading card area for Dragon Ball. Yeah. Let's go here and check it out. See? Here's like the TCG area. And here at the main counter in the middle of it, you can get your booklet like the boys have here, and you do the rally and collect the points. When you have 7 points, you get goodies. Okay. So now to the Budokan. The Budokan is amazing, and you are allowed to enter the stage just to take a picture. So come here and take a picture. I found the counter. So here, right beside the Budokan, is a counter where you get your goodies. And I will show you later that people are lining up like crazy. So all the goodies here are for free. You just have to fulfill the rally to get them. You can't see it, but the line here is super long. I will show you how long the line actually is. Oh. So the line actually for the goodies starts behind the hall. Starts here, behind the Budokan. And it goes on and on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on. And it doesn't stop, so. And when you have arrived, you can get those goodies here if you enter stage 1 or stage 3. Oh, and the playmat is actually already sold out. I still got one yesterday because I was here already on Wednesday. Did a good job. And right here, beside the Budokan, there are exhibits with awesome merchandise from Dragon Ball. Oh, and there's another favorite spot. Most people don't use it and don't notice, but it's really awesome to take pictures. And I'm not talking about the figurine exhibits, but this one here. But this is so good. Look at this. It's a part of a Chinese restaurant, and you are allowed to take pictures here, and the food looks like really real. All made of plastic though. Yeah. I had a lot of fun yesterday here. With the ham especially. Yeah, this is my favorite spot here, beside the Lifesize Shenglong and the Budokan and the Lifesize figurines of Dragon Ball. It's just really awesome. I think this is the best booth here on the Games Convention, especially for weeps. So let's still try to capture. Can you see this guy here? So let's take another picture of the Lifesize Shenglong and wish everyone good luck on their Dragon Ball rally and on their time here at the Games Convention 2019. So see ya!